Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Ajal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, as you know that we were doing chapter number 17, okay, from your GK, from your maths books, okay, and we have already done some of the sums, okay, and this chapter is a mixed bag in which you will find the questions from all the other 16 chapters from your book, okay, and we have already done up to question number 39, okay. So in today's session we are going to start with sum number 40 from your maths book, okay. So all of you open your books at chapter number 17 and the page number is 194. Okay, so open your books at that and so that we can continue. So I'm just writing the topic on the board, that is chapter number 17. Okay, and the page number is 194. Okay, so this is the chapter and this is the page from which we are going to continue in our today's session. So the first question of today's session, that is question number 40. Okay, so this is the first question of our today's session, question number 40. So let's read the question first. Kareem bought 252 kg 560 gram onions. तो करीम ने 252 kg and 560 gram onions खरीदे. ओके, ही फाउंड 1/7 ऑफ देम रोटन. और उसने क्या देखा, उसमें से जो 1/7 जो अनियंस थे वो रोटन मीन्स खराब हो गए हैं. ओके, हाउ मच अनियंस वर फाउंड गुड. सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाउंड दैट हाउ मच ऑफ दोज अनियंस आर गुड. सो देखिए ये क्वेश्चन, दिस इज बिट डिवाइडेड इनटू पार्ट्स. So the total onions bought by Kareem is given, that is 252 kg and 560 grams. So this is the quantity of onions that are being bought by Kareem. Okay, ये इतने जो 252 kg and 560 grams जो onions है उसने करीम ने है जो खरीदे हैं, जिसमें से 1/7 of them, so that means the fraction is given. The fraction of the onions is given, of which some of them are rotten. तो fraction दी है onions की जो कि खराब हो चुके हैं. So the fraction of onions those who are rotten, जो कि खराब हो चुके हैं, that is 1/7. So 1/7 is the fraction of onions that is being rotten, जो कि खराब हो चुके हैं बुरी तरह से. Okay, now here how much onions were found good. So now we have to calculate that how much onions are good. स्टिल गुड. तो देखिए कुछ जो खरीदे थे उसमें से 1/7 था रोटन में, तो खराब हो चुके हैं, बट सम आर स्टिल इन सम गुड कंडीशन. सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द अनियंस दैट आर इन गुड कंडीशन, दैट आर स्टिल गुड. ओके, सो दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड द, देखिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करेंगे, तो टोटल अनियंस में से हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड द रोटन पोर्शन. ओके, द रोटन फ्रैक्शन, जो फ्रैक्शन हमें दी है उसको हम केजीज में निकालेंगे. आफ्टर दैट we are going to calculate the onions that are still in good condition. Okay, so let's do that. Total onions bought, that is total onions bought. Total onions bought कितने हैं, that is 252 kg 560 gram. 252 kg and 560 grams. So this is the quantity of onions that are being bought by Kareem. Next, onions rotten. Onions rotten. Rotten means खराब होना. Onions rotten is equal to 1/7. 1/7 of what? Total onions. 1/7 of 252 kg 560 grams. तो देखिए आपको ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन आपके जो UT2 के एग्ज़ाम में आया था, बट बहुत सारे बच्चों ने यहाँ पे गलती की है। ओके, तो उन्होंने क्या किया है, उन्होंने विदाउट कन्वर्जन निकाला है, जिसकी वजह से उनका जो आंसर है दैट इज इनकरेक्ट। ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया, तो मैं उसको दोबारा से लिखती हूँ। द लाइन इज लिटिल बिट टिल्टेड नाउ, सो आई जस्ट राइट इट अगेन। Onions rotten is equal to 1/7 of 252 kg 560 grams. So this is the quantity of onions that is being rotten. So that is given in fraction. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है, क्या करेंगे, वी विल फाइंड द 1/7 ऑफ 252 ग्राम एंड 252 kg एंड 560 ग्राम्स। हम इसका 1/7 निकालेंगे। सो फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द 1/7 पोर्शन, व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दिस 252 kg 560 grams into we are going to into grams. तो एक kg में है, ग्राम में है। So first of all we are going to do the conversion. So first of all we are going to bring all these onions into the same unit. Either you can convert it in the kgs or you can convert it in the grams. So if you convert any given fraction, any given unit into smaller unit, so that will be easy for you to calculation. कैलकुलेशन करते हुए हमेशा छोटे यूनिट में कन्वर्ट किया करिए, बड़ी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करने से तो थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी सी टिपिकल हो जाती है। ओके, सो ऑलवेज जस्ट कैलकुलेट, डू द कन्वर्जन इन द स्मॉलर यूनिट। ओके, तो हमेशा स्मॉलर यूनिट जो होती है उसी में कन्वर्जन किया करिए। ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्ट टू द कन्वर्जन, दैट इज 252 kg 560 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, so 252 multiply by 1000, 252 को जब हम 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे प्लस 560 करेंगे। Okay, so when we will multiply 252 with 1000, it will be converted into grams plus 560 grams. So that is 252 000 plus 560. Okay. Just give me a second so that I can type it first and complete. So we will calculate 252 kg 560 grams. Okay, so 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 252 multiply by 1000. So when we will multiply 252 with 1000, it will convert it into grams. Plus 560 is already in grams. उसको हम exactly ऐसे ही लिख देंगे। Clear? Now we'll add them all. That is 252 000 gram plus 560. And now when you will add both these, you will get, देखिए अगर आपका तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन आते हैं, दैट एडिशन यू कैन डू, दैट इज गुड, बट यू कैन डू इट इन द रफ पोर्शन एज वेल। तो आप इसको चाहे तो रफ में करके देख लीजिए। 252 000 प्लस 560 06552, दैट इज 2,52,560 grams. So this is the answer that we have got after conversion. तो अभी बेटा हमने just we have done the conversion. अभी हमने क्या की है, only conversion. So अभी तो हमने conversion की है. Now we will find 1/7 of this. Okay? इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, that I am doing here. 2,52,560 का हम क्या निकालेंगे, 1/7. Okay, so 2,52,560 upon 7. So now we are going to calculate the rotten portion or the rotten फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द अनियंस। तो निकालेंगे हम इसको बाय डिवाइडिंग 2,52,560 को डिवाइडेड बाय 7। ओके, सो लेट्स डिवाइड इट 2,52,560 divided by 7. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 4, 2. 7 6s are 42. We will bring down 5. So can you divide 5 with 7? No. So for that हम क्या करेंगे? We will bring down the other digit, that is 6. And when we bring down two digits together, we put a 0 here. Okay, 7 8s are 56. But still we are having 1 0 here, तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं? ऊपर लिख देंगे. So that is 36080 gram. So this is the fraction of onions that is being rotated. तो हमने कैसे निकाला? By first of all we have done the conversion. After then we have calculated the rotated portion of onions, that is 36,080 grams. So this quantity of onions has been rotated. तो ये क्या है? rotten है. Now rotten onions कितने हो गए? rotten onions is equal to 36,080 grams. Okay, but according to the question we have to calculate. Okay, how much onions were found good. Onions found good, we have to calculate that one. Okay, onions found good. Onions found good. कितने onions हैं जो हमें अच्छी कंडीशन में मिले? Onions found good, that still are in good quantity. तो देखिए rotten onions are given, that is 36,080 grams. Total onions are 2,52,560. So if we will subtract the rotten portion of onions from the total number of onions, you can easily calculate this onions that are found good. तो total में से जितने onions खराब हो गए हैं अगर हम उसको subtract कर देंगे, so we can easily find the number of the onions that are still in good condition. Also we like subtract total onions from total quantity of onions that is already converted. That is 2,52,560 minus 36,080 grams minus 0, 6, that will be 16 and here it will be 4. 16 minus 8, 8, 4 minus 0, 4, that is 12 and here it will be 4. 12 minus 6, 6. 4 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 0, 2. So this is the quantity of onions that are found good. So onions found good is कितने हैं? That is, therefore onions found good is equal to 2,16,480 grams. Okay, or you can write, और देखिए ग्राम्स में हमारे पास कितने डिजिट्स होने चाहिए? 3. सो दैट मीन्स पीछे से 3 डिजिट्स को हम क्या कर देंगे? ग्राम्स एंड रेस्ट विल बी द केजी. सो और 216 केजी 480 grams. 216 kg and 480 grams. So this quantity of onions has been found in good condition. Those were purchased by Kareem. The total onions जो उसने खरीदे थे उसमें से कुछ fraction of the onions that are rotten is given. Okay, that we have done. We have calculated after doing the conversion. So conversion के पास जो onions rotten थे, खराब हो गए, उनका क्या बताया? That is 3 lakh 8. That we have calculated by dividing the total onions with 7, because 1/7 is a portion of which onions are rotten, and rotten onions are 36,080 grams. Okay, now for calculating the onions that are still in good condition, we have subtracted the rotten onions from the total number of onions. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 14. So you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay? चलिए, moving next, the question number 41. Next, move to the question number 40. Question number 41. Question number 41 is 3 liters of medicines is to be packed in small bottles. Okay, if each bottle can hold 200 ml medicine, how much bottles will be needed? Okay, तो उन्होंने क्या बोला है, 3 liters of medicine is to be packed in small bottle. 3 liters की जो medicine है, that is in the quantity is 3 liter. So there is a medicine that is available in a bottle and the quantity of medicine is 3 liter. तो 3 liter medicine हमारे पास है. Okay, and we have to put it into very small bottles of 2 ml. तो 2 milliliter की bottles में 3 liter है जो that medicine we have to put. How much bottles will be needed? Okay, how much bottles will be needed? So 3 liters medicine, 3 liter medicine will be put into 2 ml bottle. Okay, and now we have to calculate कि हमें वो 3 liters मेडिसिन को फिल करने के लिए 2 ml की कितनी बॉटल्स चाहिए होंगी. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो देखिए फॉर दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. तो देखिए द मेडिसिन इज गिवन, द यूनिट ऑफ मेडिसिन इज गिवन, दैट इज इन लीटर्स. ओके, एंड द यूनिट ऑफ बॉटल्स, द क्वांटिटी ऑफ बॉटल इज गिवन, दैट इज 2 ml. ओके, लीटर में जो मेडिसिन की क्वांटिटी इज गिवन इन लीटर्स एंड द क्वांटिटी ऑफ बॉटल इज गिवन इन मिलीलीटर. So first of all, what we will do, we are going to convert. So first of all, क्या करेंगे? We are going to convert the liters into the smaller unit, that is milliliter. After that, we will calculate the number of bottles that are required to fill 3 liters of medicine. Okay? So let's do question number 41. इसको हम थोड़ा सा ऊपर लिख देंगे ताकि जो हमारे स्पेस थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा हो जाए. दैट इज मैथ्स. चैप्टर नंबर 17 and the page number is 194. Clear? So let's do question number 41. Okay, so first of all, total medicine that is given, that is 3 liters. Okay, total medicine is equal to 3 liters. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इस मेडिसिन की बॉटल को जो लीटर्स में है उसको पहले हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं मिलीलीटर्स में, क्योंकि जो हमारी छोटी छोटी बॉटल्स हैं दैट आर इन ml and here the medicine is given in liters. So first of all, we are going to convert this medicine into liter. Okay, total medicine 3 liters. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 3 liter is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000, that is 3000 ml. ओके ओके, यहाँ पर लिख लीजिए और 3000 ml. ओके, सो द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मेडिसिन इज 3 liters or 3000 milliliter. Now in the question it is given, if each bottle can hold 2 ml, how much bottles will be required? Okay, now the quantity of bottle, quantity, no, it's not quantity, it's capacity. Capacity of bottle, capacity of bottle is equal to 2 ml. Capacity of bottle is equal to 2 bottles. Okay, you can write capacity of bottle, or you can say the capacity, हाँ बॉटल, मेडिसिन की जो छोटी छोटी बॉटल्स है उसको जो है कैपेसिटी ऑफ ईच बॉटल, नॉट बॉटल, capacity of each small bottle is equal to 2 ml. And in the question we have to calculate how much bottles will be needed. So number of bottles needed, that we have to calculate. Okay, number of bottles needed, number of bottles needed, that we have to calculate. So क्या करेंगे, total ml divided with the quantity capacity of one bottle, then you will get the total number of bottles. So total quantity कितनी है मेडिसिन की, that is 3000 ml divided by the quantity of small bottle, that is 2 ml. Total medicine divided by the capacity of the small bottle. तो हम 3000 ml divided by 2 ml. So 3000 divided by 2. Okay, so 3000 divided by 2, which I will be 1500, or if you want you can do in the rough 2. 2 ones are 2, 1, 0. 2 fives are 10. ये 0 बचा. Okay, sorry, it's 3000, not 300. Okay, 0. Now हमारे पास 2 zeros बचे, that we will put here. So that is 1500. So how many bottles are required? That is 1500 bottles. Okay, so 2 ml की कितनी bottles चाहिए होंगी हमें to fill this 3000 ml of medicine? That is 1500 bottles. तो नीचे we are going to write a solution sentence. Therefore, so question is, if each bottle can hold, how much bottles will be needed? Therefore, 1500 bottles. Therefore, 1500 bottles of 2 ml will be required to fill 3 liters of medicine. Okay. So therefore 1500 bottles of 2 ml will be required to fill 3 liters of medicine. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 41. Okay, so you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, now moving next, question number 43, that is addition. Okay, so next question is question number 43, that is addition. Okay, so now we will move to the question number 43, that is add. Question number 43, that is add. Now add 472 meter 32 centimeter and 109 meter 87 centimeter. So देखिए यहाँ पे here the units, 2 units are given. Okay, sorry, the measurement of 2 units are given and we have to add them. हमें क्या करना है? We have to just simply add them. But आपको ये याद रखना है कि 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर, ये यूनिट शुड बी इन योर माइंड ऑलवेज, ताकि आपको कैलकुलेट करना इजी हो. ओके, तो लिखिए एट, द क्वेश्चन इज एट 472 मीटर 32 centimeter and 109 meter 87 सेंटीमीटर. अभी हम इन दोनों को ऐड करना है, मीटर सेंटीमीटर. we have to add them both. Okay, so let's add them. 472 meter plus 32 centimeter. Okay, just leave a space little between, ताकि in case अगर carry या borrow का हो तो वो आप कर सके. Meter centimeter. Okay, always do the calculation in a tabular form ताकि आपको calculation easy हो. Meter and centimeter, that is 472 meter 32 centimeter plus 109 meter 87 centimeter. We have to add them. One important thing, देखिए मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं 100. सो दैट मीन्स सेंटीमीटर्स में हमारे पास कितने यूनिट्स कितने डिजिट्स होने चाहिए 2, एंड दोनों में 2 2 हैं. सो दैट मीन्स दैट इज द सम इज ओके. सो वी नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट सिंपली ऐड देम. 2 plus 7 9, 3 plus 8 11, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 1 5. So after adding them both we got the answer, that is 582 meter and 19 centimeter. So write the answer separately, that is 582 meter and 19 centimeter. 582 meter and 19 centimeter. ओके, सो देखिए हमने सिंपल एडिशन की है और कुछ नहीं किया इसमें. ओके, मूविंग टू द बी पार्ट. In the B part we have to add 8 kilometer 515 meter and 8 kilometer 975 meter. Now we have to add them. अब हमें क्या करना है? Simply we have to add both these. So let's add it. First of all, we will write the units, that is kilometer, meter. Then 8 kilometer 515 meter. Then again 8 kilometer 75 meter. Okay, so again 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So in if the 1 kilometer will be written with meter, so in the meter in meter there should be, that जब किलोमीटर को मीटर साथ लिखा जाता है तो there should be 3 units, 3 digits, and in दोनों में we are having the same 3 numbers in the meters. So that means we are already having 3 digits in the meters in the both the calculation. So हमें कुछ भी कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ऐड ऑन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा होगा. दैट इज 8 किलोमीटर 8 एंड ऐड देम ऑल. Just simply add it. Okay, 5 plus 5 10 0 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 9 will be 14. देखिए सिंपल एडिशन है, नथिंग इज सो डिफिकल्ट हियर. सिंपल एडिशन जैसे अभी तक आप करते आए जो आपने सीखी है बेटा, दैट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस. ओके, 8 plus 8 that is 16. 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 that is 17. So कितना आया? That is 17 kilometer 490 meter. So write your answers separately as well. Okay. देखिए चाहे solution statement sum is there, or whether the statement sum is there, or whether there is a normal calculation is there, addition or subtraction, just make sure you always write the answers separately. It looks a very impressive look when you write the answers separately. Okay. So देखिए इसमें हमने simple addition की है, but I am going to write the answer and you are also going to write the answer separately in your notebooks. So that is 17 kilometers 490 meter. So answer that we got after adding them both is 17 kilometers 490 मीटर. Because sometimes what happens, कई बार जो आप लिखते हो कई बार टीचर को क्लियर नजर नहीं आता. So at that time we can confirm from here. Okay, so that's why the answer is very important. Okay, so this was our today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.